vents. We got some aero catches right here. Wow. So sick. Ooh. 400Z. Look at the engine setup on this thing. Looks like a VR38. Look at the steering column though. Steering column's like, it's like offset. Sway bars right there. 3D printed grill. I need to do this in my Integra. Close up on that motor, and then steering shaft goes to the cockpit. I don't even know what that is. Looks like something for the shocks, maybe? Look at that upright. V-mount everything. Intercooler. Brakes. Look at those big boys. Dude, everything's Kevlar back there. It's hard to see because we don't have a light, but exhaust over here. Wow, so sick. Front aero. The mirrors. A mirror though. Super slender. Side skirts go all the way back. It's got like little kicks. There's so many like different shapes on this thing. I know it's a little hard to see, but I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Kevlar everything inside here on the wheel well. Transmission on the back. Oh, I got an alternator back there. That's interesting. Carbon tub, carbon. It looks like the sump for the oil maybe. It's 3D printed little vents. Look at this gymongous wing. Oh, it's so sick. Oh, this is the same Lifeline rain light that I use for my Integra. And they have it on this car too. Look at this. You got a camera back there. And diffuser, of course, carbon fiber. Oh, look at this. They tape everything over here. See, they tape it so, I don't know, aerodynamics or whatever. I know some race cars, like especially at Pikes Peak, they tape the seams. Whoa, that's cool, dude. The shocks right here. They even got little potentiometers right there to see the travel. Fuel inlet. We can't film the inside because they told us not to film the inside, but that's kind of cool. Look at all this. And get my white light on here. My white little bouncer. Brembos. Oh, look at that, dude. That's cool. Something you'd see on like a barbecue. The close up on that sway bar. That's so crazy, dude, the way they do this. Look, see how it's bladed right there? You can spin that to make it stiffer or softer. And then there's a rod right there that goes to that piece of suspension. I guess that's the spindle maybe. Where does that go on this side though? Oh, that's wild. The little kick up right here. It's like the Z-Tune fenders. And it goes all the way inside here. You can see my fan. That's so cool. It's all functional. I know most of us, when we do our wide bodies at home, we don't use fender liners, but if you look at the race cars, they're fully covered. See it? All the way over. Look at all the details on the wing. The knife edge. Hardware. Look at that, that's carbon right there. How does it even go inside? Straight to the chassis. That's so sick, dude. Look at the way it gets in there. No bolts, nothing. So cool. Here's where the wing goes. So that's the base. Goes to the chassis all the way around. Straight down to the back right here. On this like little subframe area. So crazy, dude. And then, yeah, this is a VR38 powered car, so the transmission, all that stuff's also from the GTR. So cool. Look at all the deets. Fire suppression back here. fuel cell. You guys see that really cool detail? Look closely. They tape the seams all the way around. Look at that, for aero purposes. That's insane, I never noticed that before. Clear tape, it's like PPF. Look at the marker lines. Pretty much the same thing I do at home. Even the hose, they even have the lines on there. So I love it when people like make fun of me because I'm super OCD about putting lines. Even this bracketry right there, they put a little line right there to see if it clocks or moves. So yeah, a lot of the OCD stuff goes a long way, especially if you're pushing the car. Look at all that. That's cool. All the bolts, dude. Sick.